May this year, and the country's capital Nairobi was a flooding zone caused by unexpected rains. Thousands of homes were left without power following a heavy downpour. The desolation was shared by scores of city motorists trapped on impassable roads, as well as by homeowners in some housing estates whose property was damaged by floodwaters due to poor drainage system around the city. However, with the weatherman warning of Elnino rains expected any time from now, residents are staying on to brave the season with the hope that they will survive it, despite reports that it will be worse than what was experienced in 1997.
Kama si wakaji wa Nairobi tuko prepared na hii Elnino. Maana tunaona hali ya anga iko inatuonyesha iko karibu.
Wakati wa Elnino hivi inatakana watu wajipange, na hii Nairobi inatakana iwekwe mabomba ya maji kwa sababu ya kuzuia Elnino, kwa sababu hiyo Elnino imetangazwa sana, itakuja kuharibia watu mpaka manyumba, itaharibu vitu mingi sana na Kenya tutapata hasara. Kwa hivyo naambia Kidero aweze kufanya haraka ya kuweka mabomba ya maji.
Nairobi County Executive for Environment Evan Sondiek says a lot has been done to curb the effects of the dreaded rains.
They are appealing to those people in Mtoini, in Ngong River, all along the corridor, Nairobi River, Mathare River, to ensure that they move away from the river, because those will be the most vulnerable. And it is very important because prevention is better than cure.
He says that 200 public schools have already been identified by the county government to act as a disaster management centers for those who will be affected.
We have also realigned equipment, our excavators, rollies, all the other tools and equipment that we may require. In case we need them at short notice, we are able to mobilize all of that equipment. And number 6, we have established a disaster management center, our boardroom at first floor, annexed, sit annexed. That will be the situation room like the disaster management center.
Nairobi County government has set aside 300 million shillings for the disaster, and Health Cabinet Secretary James Macharia has moved ahead to assure Kenyans of their health safety during the Elnino rains. Macharia says the national government has dispensed medical commodities such as antibiotics worth 700 million shillings to counties in readiness for the Elnino rains.
We also developed a contingency plan, which basically we shall execute as and when this Nino happens. We also, like you indicated, have discussed with the counties to make sure that they have adequate medical commodities. And I think we have already sent about 700 million worth drugs and other medical commodities worth 700 million. We know it's a devolved function, but still we have to take responsibility as national government.
And at the same time, the government has called on Kenyans to strictly observe weather information from the Kenya Meteorological Department in readiness for the enhanced rains. Brenda Kiprono reporting for Channel 1 News Hour.